Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your third row seat on your Honda Pilot. Check this out. This happened to you. It came off the bottom here. It gets tacked onto the inside here, and then just, every time you load up something, it gets pulled back, and then the cardboard piece over here just kept getting worse and worse. So, I mean, you could try to, some people try to screw it right here, but that's going to look like crap. So it seems like the best way to fix this is to actually take off the seat. All right, guys, you got 6 bolts holding this thing in. You got 2 in the back there, 2 more back there, and then 2 more in the front. You got to take off these covers. You just pull on the sides and pull back. Okay. All right, so there's one there and another one behind there. All right, guys, these are 14 millimeters. Okay, after you unbolt that, just lift up the seat and you have access to the other 4 bolts. All right, guys, I wrapped the seatbelt around the top here just to hold it up, but now we need to release the seatbelt from here just to get it out of the way. And the way you do this is use a key or something to stick in the slot and push it, and then that releases it, okay? And now you could get this out of the way. Okay, we got the seat out, and you probably don't even have to take out the seat. I just like to have room to work, and it only took a minute to remove, so why not? So the right way to do this is to remove this panel. Now this material is glued onto this panel, so you will have to remove the panel, rip off the material, cut another panel, and cut out the holes and all this stuff, find a way to put the clips back on, and then glue this material back over it and staple it from the other side, put the clips, throw everything on, and then that's it. Okay. The clips are no big deal. These guys pop right off, but this one I haven't figured out how to take out. I don't know what's holding it. So I don't want to break anything, so I'm going to do this the easy way, which is just replacing the piece that broke off. Okay, so I already cut this straight. I'm going to get another piece, and this is 1/8 inch cardboard material, whatever it's called. Okay, so I went to Lowe's and I got myself a piece. They sell these in sheets, okay, like 4x8 sheets. I didn't want to buy a giant sheet. I only need a little piece. So I was looking for a 2x4 piece. They didn't have it. Maybe Home Depot would have had it. But this piece I found behind the cutting machine they have over there, and it looked like scraps. So I asked the guy, hey, can I have this? And the guy said, yeah. So I got it for free. Not bad. So I'm going to cut a piece, put it on there, find new clips to throw on there, wrap this on, and call it a day. Okay, we got a cut piece over here. When you do this, make sure it goes a 1/2 inch beyond this metal piece, okay? So if you cut it flush with the metal piece, you're gonna have a gap over here. Okay, you don't want that. So now I'm gonna take off this panel. It's only held on by 2 screws, this one and this one. So I could pull it back and I'm able to mark these holes, okay? So I'm gonna go from underneath, mark the holes for this one, that hole, and this hole. And then I'll be able to drill the holes, and I'm gonna keep this in place with these panel clips, okay? Okay, you're gonna drill a 5/16 in the middle and 1/4 inch holes on the sides, okay? All right, guys, I put duct tape because you can fix everything with duct tape. So I put duct tape underneath and on top just to hold it together. I put my clips, one here, and that's the way they look. This one goes on this side over here. Okay. And just all you gotta do is push them in. But I'm not gonna push them in all the way. Okay. So I just pushed it through. And what they're doing is it's just gonna sit like that, because what I'm gonna do is and these are the clips, by the way. So that's the clips for I'm gonna put a link in the video description. But these are like, well, whatever clips fit a 1/4-inch hole. And this is a 5/16. Okay, so these are fatter. They're not as long, so I hope they work. Okay, so anyway, I put the clips through, and what I'm gonna do is use this adhesive and put it all together. You know, you spray one side, you spray the other, let it sit for like a minute or whatever, and then you put it all together, fold it, do whatever you need to do, staple it if you have to, and then you push this through. Okay, you're gonna push this through the holes, and that's it. It should stay in place. Okay, check it out. Looks pretty good. Once you're done wrapping this up, and you don't even need to staple it, okay? Once this adhesive, you wrap it around nice. The adhesive holds it in place. So once you're done, just push in the pins. See, one pin there. Just another one in the middle. And the one on the bottom here. Now you get to put these guys in place. Just put in your 2 screws. Once you do that on both sides, we'll throw it back in. Put in your bolts by hand first, because you might have to like wiggle them around in the seat just to get them in. All right, guys, check it out. came out pretty damn good. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.